Welcome to digital advertising in 2025, a world where technology and creativity blend seamlessly to connect businesses with their audiences like never before. Today, your customers are spending more time than ever on Facebook and Instagram, making these platforms the heartbeat of online interaction and discovery. These platforms have transformed into a vast, bustling global marketplace. Every day, billions of people scroll, search, and stumble upon new products, services, and brands, making buying decisions in real time. Ignoring meta ads in this environment is like opening a beautiful store on a deserted street. No matter how great your offer, the opportunity is lost if no one sees it. Meta ads empowers you to reach the right people with laser precision. You can target by interests, behaviors, location, age, and even recent online activity, ensuring your message lands in front of those most likely to care. This isn't just a digital billboard, it's a direct, personal line to your ideal customer, delivered at the perfect moment when they're ready to engage. It's true, many business owners feel overwhelmed by the complexity of meta ads. But the good news is, the system is designed with your success in mind, offering intuitive tools and helpful resources. You don't need to be a tech expert or marketing guru. All you need is a clear, step-by-step plan to guide you through the process, making it accessible for everyone. This guide breaks down meta ads into simple, actionable steps that anyone can follow, no matter your experience level. The digital landscape is more competitive than ever, but with the right tools and strategies, success is within reach for businesses of all sizes. With meta ads, you can cut through the noise, stand out from the crowd, and build a steady, predictable stream of leads and sales for your business. This isn't about luck or chasing viral trends. It's about building a reliable, scalable marketing machine that works for you around the clock. By the end of this guide, you'll have the knowledge and confidence to launch profitable campaigns, turning Facebook and Instagram into your most powerful customer acquisition channels yet. Before launching ads, you need the right setup. Start by creating a Meta Business Suite account at business.facebook.com. This separates your business from your personal profile and keeps everything secure and organized. Add your Facebook page and Instagram account to the suite for seamless management. Next, create your ad account. Choose the correct time zone and currency, as these can't be changed later. Add a payment method, like a credit card or PayPal, to activate your account. Meta may place a small temporary charge to verify your card. Once confirmed, your ad account is ready. You now have a secure command center, linked business pages, and a funded ad account. This foundation is essential for all future advertising. Set it up right, and you'll avoid headaches later. Now, you're ready to launch your first campaign. Don't rush into creating ads. Your campaign objective is crucial. Your objective tells Meta's algorithm exactly what you want: awareness, consideration, or conversion. Awareness is for reaching new people. Consideration gets them to engage. Conversion drives sales or leads. Pick the objective that matches your real goal. Don't choose traffic if you want purchases. For sales, use conversion. For leads, use lead generation. The right objective sets your campaign up for success. This is the first and most important step to profitability. With your objective set, it's time to choose your audience. Use core audiences to target by demographics, interests, and behaviors. Get specific about your ideal customer. Custom audiences let you retarget people who've already interacted with your business. These are your warm leads. Lookalike audiences help you scale by finding new people similar to your best customers. Combining these audience types lets you reach people at every stage, from strangers to loyal fans. The more relevant you're targeting, the more efficient your ad spend. Mastering audience selection is key to Meta Ads success. Reach the right people, and your results will follow. Now, let's dive into how to create ads that not only grab attention, but also inspire your audience to take action. In today's fast-paced digital world, your ad needs to stand out instantly as people scroll through endless content. Your visual, whether it's a striking image or a dynamic video, matters most. It's the first thing people notice, and it can make or break your ad's success. Use authentic, high-quality visuals that truly connect with your audience's interests and emotions. In 2025, video is king. People engage more with moving images than static ones. Short, engaging clips, ideally 15 to 30 seconds, work best. Make sure to add captions, since many viewers watch with the sound off. Captions help your message land, even in silence. Your headline should be clear, benefit-driven, and spark curiosity. Don't be afraid to test different options. A/B testing helps you discover what truly resonates with your audience. Keep your primary text simple, direct, and focused on the offer and its benefits. Avoid jargon or fluff. Get straight to the point so viewers instantly understand what's in it for them. Use short sentences, break up your text for easy reading, and add emojis for visual interest. These small touches make your ad more inviting and easier to digest. Always include a strong call to action, like shop now, download free guide, or sign up. Tell your audience exactly what you want them to do next, and make it easy for them to take that step. Remember, your visual hooks them, your headline draws them in, your text explains the value, and your CTA tells them what to do. Each element should work together seamlessly. Test different creatives and copy to find what resonates best. Don't settle for your first idea. Experiment and refine until you see results. Authenticity and clarity always outperform slick, generic ads. People want to see real stories and real value, not just polished graphics. Remember, you have just a few seconds to make an impression, so make every element count. Analyze your results and keep improving. Great ads are simple, direct, and action-oriented. They cut through the noise and speak directly to your audience's needs. That's how you stop the scroll, capture attention, and ultimately win more customers for your business. A great ad needs the right budget and schedule. Choose between a daily budget, steady spend, or a lifetime budget, total spend over time. Lifetime budgets let you schedule ads for specific days or hours, perfect if you know when your audience is most active. Start small, $10, $20 per day, to test and gather data before scaling up. Use Campaign Budget Optimization, CBO, to let Meta automatically allocate your budget to the best performing ad sets. CBO maximizes efficiency and results. Smart budgeting and scheduling keep your campaigns profitable. Control your spend, test, and scale what works. With everything set, it's time to launch. Hit Publish in Ads Manager. Your ad goes through a quick review, then goes live. But launching is just the start. Tracking and optimizing are where profits are made. Monitor key metrics. Reach impressions, click-through rate, and cost per result. The first few days are the learning phase. Don't make big changes yet. Once enough data is collected, identify top performers and shift budget to what's working. Turn off underperforming ads and test new variations. Change one thing at a time. Continuous testing and optimization are the secrets to long-term success. Don't set and forget. Analyze, adjust, and improve. The best campaigns are built on data-driven decisions. That's how you turn Meta ads into a profit engine. Let's wrap up with the essential blueprint for Meta ad success in 2025. Whether you're just starting out or looking to scale, these practices will help you maximize your results and get the most out of every advertising dollar. Always start with a clear, measurable goal and make sure your campaign objective directly matches it. This alignment is the foundation of every successful ad campaign, ensuring your efforts are focused and effective. Use both prospecting audiences, like core and lookalike, and retargeting audiences, such as custom audiences, for a full funnel approach. This way, you're reaching new people while also nurturing those who've already shown interest. Tailor your message for cold and warm audiences. Don't use the same ad for everyone. Craft specific creatives and offers that speak to where each audience is in their journey. Test everything: audiences, creatives, headlines, and offers. A/B testing helps you discover what truly resonates, so you can refine your approach and boost performance. Let data guide your decisions. Regularly review your analytics to spot trends, identify what's working, and quickly pivot away from what isn't. Remember, small improvements from testing add up to big gains over time. Consistent optimization is the key to long-term profitability. Install and use the Meta Pixel. It's absolutely essential for tracking, retargeting, and optimizing your campaigns. The Pixel gives you the data you need to make smart decisions. Without the Pixel, you're flying blind. You'll miss out on valuable insights and lose the ability to measure your true return on ad spend. Set up standard events like view content, add to cart, and purchase for accurate tracking. These events help you understand your customer's journey and optimize for the actions that matter most. Follow these principles: clear objectives, a full funnel strategy, constant testing, and robust tracking. Each step builds on the last to create a strong, profitable campaign. This is your roadmap to profitable Meta and Instagram ads. Stick to these fundamentals and you'll be set up for success. Stay curious, keep learning, and adapt as the platform evolves. The digital landscape changes fast, so ongoing education is crucial. Success is built on strategy, not luck, so take action, apply these best practices, and go launch your winning campaign today.